Rooster Horoscope 2020. A look at the year ahead. Rooster Horoscope 2020 predicts that your emotions will be stronger this year, as will your morals. These feelings and thoughts will set the path that your life will take this year. It will guide all of your actions. Remember to stay optimistic, even when you are embarrassed, or something goes wrong. Your personality will pull you through. You can always count on that in this Chinese New Year 2020 of the white metal rat. The 10th sign in the Chinese zodiac is the sign of the rooster. Roosters are usually seen as being proud and loud creatures. People who are born in the year of the rooster also share some of these traits, but they also have a few others as well. People who are born in the year of the rooster are honest and trusting perfectionists. They pay close attention to details, and they make great friends. All of these personality traits will affect the way that they interact with their horoscope for 2020. 2020 Rooster predictions for love. Rooster, just like you will have strong emotions in your daily life, you will also feel more emotional in your romantic life. Chinese astrology 2020 asks you to try to be more creative and fun in your love life this year. Try to take care of all of your partner's needs, and make sure that they understand your needs as well. If you are single, try to find out what you want in a partner before you go out looking for one. Chinese zodiac rooster tend to be the most compatible with people born in the year of the ox or year of the snake, so you might want to begin looking there. This is a great year to strengthen your bonds with your current friends and family members, as well as repairing bonds with past friends. Will the rooster get married or get pregnant in 2020? This is a turning point in your social life, so make sure that you don't waste it. Rooster 2020 career astrology. Will the rooster be lucky in 2020? You will feel more impulsive at work this year, but try not to act on this impulsiveness unless you know that it will benefit you. You are likely to have new projects handed down to you. Do your best on these projects. Showing off your skills is also a good idea. Everyone has their talents, but you want to make sure that your talents shine above all of your other co-workers in 2020. Always think ahead when you are at work. What you are doing now could very well impact what you are doing a few years from now in your career. Rooster 2020 finance. Rooster prediction 2020 suggests that the money will satisfy you this year. You are likely to work more to earn more this year. You will be happy when you are working on hobbies that can also make you money. The small things will help you out when you are budgeting, remember that. Year of the rooster predictions for health. The more optimistic that you are, the more likely that you are to feel more energized. The rooster may go to some minor injuries and health problems, but nothing major is predicted to come your way. Try to keep your diet balanced and yourself active, and you should be relatively healthy and happy in 2020.